Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. On this channel, I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on keto and how you can be successful too. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family for more inspirational videos like this one. In this video, I'll show you everything I ate in the last 7 days to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I do a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto that is set to maintain lean mass while promoting fat loss, eating ketogenically. If that's what you're looking for, I hope you get some great ideas from the meals that I'm going to show you in this video. And I hope that you'll stick around for more information on how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. Let's get to the food. Guys, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday, and I am having some tension release tea with a tablespoon of heavy cream. I cannot decide what I want to eat today. I am just having such a struggle. Guys, like I said, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm going to be eating in 3 short hours, so I just need to get something down me quick. So here I am. I'm going to have 300 grams of 0% Faye Greek yogurt with orange vanilla meal, water enhancer, and a peanut butter brownie smashed Quest bar. That's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, this is going to be my dessert for the birthday party. So I am having a birthday cake bash bang, a pileless coconut cream pie from Sugar High Confections. This is a place local to me. It's 27 grams of fat, 3.5 net carbs, and 8 grams of protein. And then a 1 serving of peanut butter fudge, Rebel ice cream. And that's going to be my dessert. Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday night, it's my high fat day, and it's also a birthday party day, and we're doing homemade pizzas, and today I did 3 chaffle pizzas. I have 4 eggs worth, and I think, how many ounces of cheese? It was an ounce, 2 ounces per, so 6 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 10 grams of mushroom each, 10 grams of onion each, and 5 grams of spinach each, I believe. That's gonna be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Monday afternoon. It is about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 2 o'clock, yeah. And I am having blueberry cinnamon chaffles. I just made a recipe, so I will hopefully link that here for you guys. If I haven't made it yet, sorry. It'll be up soon. And then I'm gonna have a cup of 0% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer, and a Quest protein bar, peanut butter brownie smash. I'm also gonna have some Smart Sweets. Dave got these for me for the party yesterday, and well, they're still here. So I'm gonna eat them. And hopefully they won't throw me out of ketosis or something, but I love them, and I'm kind of stressed out today, so I'm gonna eat 1 pack of gummy bears, and that's gonna be my first meal of the day. Alrighty guys, now that I have hit my goal, I am starting to cave on not having my second meal that I love to have. So I feel really bad. I tried to find the best macros I could for things. This little shorty in cheddar has only 12 grams of fat and 9 protein and 1 carb for the whole thing. And then I wanted to add some more protein because it's not big enough to be a meal and I don't snack. So I'm adding the 16 grams. It's not quite to 30, but it's gonna have to be close enough. It was either this or another protein bar, and I've already done a protein bar today. I don't know. I hope I don't regret this on the scale tomorrow. I just really am dying. Like, seriously, I'm so exhausted, and I just really have to be here for 3 more hours, and I'm gonna eat this. So, yeah, anyway, that's gonna be a second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, today I am going to have a chicken Caesar salad with 4 ounces of chicken, 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of Lighthouse Caesar dressing, and 150 grams of lettuce. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Tuesday afternoon and I am having my first meal of the day. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon and I am having peanut butter and jelly chaffles with Wendy Barron's recipe, and a cup of 0% Faye Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, and a Quest protein bar. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having just a little bit of broccoli. I'm having 100 grams of broccoli and 6 ounces of chicken breast with a half a cup of Simply, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so I'm having a half cup of this ragu Simply made with cauliflower, creamy Alfredo pasta sauce, on the broccoli and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Wednesday and here I am at the dance studio. It is noon and I'm going to have my first meal of the day. Today I'm having peanut butter and jelly chaffles, just like I did yesterday, with a Quest white chocolate raspberry protein bar and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange, vanilla, Mio water enhancer. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Wednesday night. We're having a birthday party and this is what I'm having for my last meal of the day. I'm just having 2 medium-sized chicken drumsticks with some sugar-free barbecue sauce, 50 grams of lettuce with a tablespoon of Caesar dressing, and 100 grams of cauliflower rice with some xanthan gum bouillon gravy. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alright everyone, here I am at Commonwealth School and I am having pumpkin chocolate chip chaffles with cream cheese and erythritol on top, and a Quest bar and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange, vanilla, Mio water enhancer. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, and it's really hot as you can see. It is basically just leftover pork soup. It is pork carnitas that we had left over from our big barbecue like a week ago, and some cauliflower and cabbage in a light broth. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Friday afternoon. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm breaking my fast with this cute little chaffle meal. Today I am having French toast chaffles, which is basically just 2 eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and some sweetener, a little bit of syrup. I put the sugar-free syrup on top and in the chaffle with some vanilla and cinnamon and salt. And then I'm having 200 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer. And today I am trying a beef protein bar from Julian Bakery. Wish me luck. I've been avoiding these, but the flavors look so good. I just thought I'm going to try it, but it just creeps me out. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, here goes. It smells weird. It's like Tootsie Roll consistency. Well, it doesn't taste like beef. It tastes like, not really chocolate either. It's kind of like a not sweet Tootsie Roll. The consistency is very Tootsie Roll-ish. Has a real aftertaste from the sweetener though. I don't know. It's just okay. But it's not horrifying. It's greasy. Can you see that? My fingers are covered in grease just holding it. Can't decide if that creeps me out or not. What kind of grease is it? Alright everyone, it is Friday night and I am having leftover pork soup that I had last night. It has cabbage, cauliflower, a little bit of carrot, and some pork shoulder in there. And I didn't really measure it, so I can't really track it. And to make sure I'm going to get enough protein, I'm going to go ahead and have a protein bar alongside of this just to make sure I have enough. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. When it's Saturday, I am running out the door. I didn't have time for chaffles, so I just mixed my 2 eggs and 2 ounces of cheese together and cooked it up in one big thing and rolled it up. Then I'm going to have 200 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt with acai berry Mio water enhancer and a Primal Thin protein bar. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. And there it is in all its melty goodness. Doesn't that look amazing? It is going to be delicious. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate in the last 7 days to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that you got some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. If you're looking to start your own keto weight loss journey, don't forget to check the About section below for my Facebook group, where I have a free getting started guide that has a macros chart and makes everything super easy so that you can have the same success on keto that I have had. If you don't have access to Facebook, don't worry, I got you covered. Send me an email to ketochaos@gmail.com and I'll send you the getting started guide free of charge right to your inbox. I want you to have success on your own keto weight loss journey. So I hope you'll stick around for more videos and inspiring messages that will help you on your keto weight loss journey. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. We'll talk to you all again soon.